My offer was £400, I'll take it right now.
400?
Yeah. I've been offered this Clio, let's go view it and see if it's any good. So here's the Clio, let's start it up and see how it's running. I've already checked engine oil and coolant. Engine sounds pretty good. Obviously got a service light on because the car needs a service. You got a little scratch there, also a little scratch here. But if he accepts my offer, I'll take it off his hands. It's all about the price now. My offer was £400, I'll take it right now.
400?
Yeah. Well, 450 then.
Yeah.
But it's got the mileage discrepancy and obviously the rear bumper and the side bit.
Well, I support the hustle, so yeah. Yeah, let's do it.
Alright then.
Done deal.
Bro.
There we go.
I'll transfer it to you. Apart from the bodywork, that's it, bro. It drives good.
Yeah, what would you do? Are you going to do something about that?
No, I'll sell it as it is, bro. I've just bought this Renault Clio for £430, guys. Tell me, did I get a bargain or not? The only issue with this car, as you can see, is the bodywork isn't the best. So look at this scratch there, and also look at this scratch here. It isn't the best. One of my supporters messaged me on TikTok saying he's got this Clio for sale. This isn't a car that I'd normally buy with all that bodywork issues, but for 430 quid, I couldn't really say no. So I'm going to basically try and make this look a little bit better. So I've got some paint in colour and I'm going to go over a paintbrush just to get rid of the white, to just make it blend in a bit more. There is a crack on the rear bumper, which I'm going to leave. The car's got MOT until August, but this is just a quick walk round of the Clio. Isn't too bad really. The inside is pretty clean. I don't really need to do anything to the inside, as you can see. Yeah, the inside is pretty clean. But I've been driving the Clio around for a couple of days now just to see that it's a good car, and I'm telling you, I've had no issues with the car. Mechanically, this car is really good. So I've got a lot of confidence in this car when it comes to selling it. But the bodywork, I've got to sort it out. I've got to make it look a little bit better. Let's go to the paint shop. Let's see if we can get spray paint in the right colour for this Clio and see if I can transform it. So let's go get the spray paint. So far, the Clio drives good. I've been driving it for a couple of days, and as you can hear, there isn't any knocks or bangs or anything like that. The clutch biting point's good. The clutch isn't slipping. It goes into all gears. I've taken it on the motorway, dual carriageway. I've taken it everywhere just to make sure that it's a good car. So the bodywork lets it down really, but the car is a good car. So I should make some decent profit out of it. I don't really know what to list it for. Like for a quick sell, £1,000 probably. But if I want to wait a bit longer, £1,200. But will the car sell for that? I'm not sure. I don't normally buy cars like this. I normally buy cars that are a bit better than this one. But for £430, I couldn't turn that down. That's so cheap, and the car drives really well. So yeah, as you can see, the car drives good. So I'll see you guys when I arrive at Car Paint Warehouse. I've just arrived at Car Paint Warehouse. Let's see if they could get the spray paint the right colour. I've got the spray paint and a brush. Let's see if we can make that rear arch look any better. I've done some already and it looks slightly better. Fingers crossed the paint matches, but so far it looks like a good match. Didn't see this, but I've got to do here as well. Let's get that done. So this is how the rear arches turn out. Obviously it's not perfect, it's just blending it in so it doesn't stand out as much, and I think it doesn't look too bad. It's nowhere near as bad as it was before. It just blends in a lot better now, and the front arch blends in a lot better now as well. So I want to maximise profits on the Clio, so I've started to give it a polish, and this is how it looks so far. So as you can see, I've done tyre shine on that wheel and I've polished this rear door. I've just polished the front, so let's wipe it off. All right, let's wipe it off and see. Let's put some tyre shine on this side. Not gonna lie, that's looking pretty good after the polish. The polish is now complete. It's time to give inside the car a hoover. As you can see, the car is shining. Luckily, the interior is pretty clean, so I didn't really have to hoover too much. That looks a lot better. Let's try wipe this dirt off. This dirt took a lot of scrubbing to get off, but I got it off in the end. I'm happy with how that's turned out. It's not too bad. Let's give the rear seats a quick hoover. Even though it's already clean in here. Driver's seat could do with a wet vac, but I'm just going to leave it as it is. Time to hoover this side. Last thing to do is to clean the engine bay, because you can see the engine bay is filthy. Let's give the engine bay a wipe down. I've just wiped down this and the oil cap. So let's wipe the rest down just to make it look a bit better than it does now. We're getting there, guys. The clear is almost complete. So the car is now complete, the engine bay is clean. I haven't gone too OT because people don't like to see it too shiny because they think that you're hiding something. But as you can see, engine bay is just a casual clean. It isn't the best clean, but it looks way better than it did before. The car looks a lot better. What a transformation. That rear arch don't look too bad. As you can see, it blends in a little bit better now. But yeah, it's just a quick video. So the car's now complete. It was just a quick vlog, but as you can see, the car's turned out pretty well. It definitely looks a lot better than it did before. Yeah, let's go around to the worst side, which was this side. So this side don't look too bad, and where the scratches are, now that I've filled it in with the spray paint, it's not really that noticeable like it was before. It kind of just blends in, which is really good. So I think I'm going to put this car up for more than £900. Obviously, it's got the crack in the rear bumper as well, but I'm not going to change the bumper. It's not worth doing. I'm just going to sell it as it is. Comment down below what you guys think I should sell it for. But this is how the car has turned out after a polish and a clean on the inside. Here's the rear seats, which are really clean. This seat could do with a wet vac, but is it worth it? Not really. So I posted the Clio up for sale for $995. Within less than an hour, I got a viewing on the Clio.
How long have you had it? You sell cars?
Well, yeah, buy and sell cars. It's got parking sensors as well, by the way.
Oh, that was right.
Yeah, yeah.
It's generally alright.
You just turned it off. Turn it on again.
Did you say it's got service history?
It's got the service book, V5C. It's got like a load of receipts with it and stuff. But watch out for that. Oh, that was close as hell. Oh my god. Nah, you didn't see it then. Nah. The neighbour done that to their car. Pull it. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Yeah, it's a bit of a weird one.
We've got one more to look at, and then.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Just let me know
Okay.
anyway.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
fine. No problem.
Nice one.
So I got another car to view after. So they say they got another one to look at, then they're going to message me. But test drive wise, it went well. The car drove well. As I said, I've driven it about a couple of days and it's had no issues. Fingers crossed they actually take it. I mean, for $995, like, what better can you get realistically? But yeah, they didn't really give me much after. He just said, yeah, I got another one to go see, and then they're going to get back in contact. So I'm just going to class it as they didn't want it. So it's only a quick video, so thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and tune into the next video because we're going to be buying some more cars.